Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Susan here and you're welcome to today's video. So today is a protective style takedown. I've had this twist for 1 month and I'm just going to show you how I take it down to avoid less breakage and also to retain length. So if this is what you would like to watch, then keep on watching. First off, I start by spraying my hair with clove water. When you are doing a takedown like this, that you know you've had your protective style for long, you need to make sure your hair is wet, not dripping wet, but at least damp to the extent that it can loosen any curls and tangles you might have had. And it just helps the tangling process because it's not nice to detangle your natural hair when it's dry. So this way you can get into the twist and the braid, whatever you are taking down, effectively without having to cut your hair or have split ends. And you can see my hair grew in the process of 1 month. And during this 1 month I was using cloves. I was using clove spray. If you have not seen that video, the link is going to be in the description box. Please do well to check it out. When taking down your protective style, it's advised to take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Be patient with the takedown process. Carefully unravel the twist or braid, whatever you have on. Take your time. If there's a knot, use your hand to unravel it gently. And when detangling, use your hands. If you notice in this video, I did not use a comb or a brush. I used my hands. That way I can get through each strand easily. Take my time to unravel any knot or any twist. That way I can retain the length I got from having the protective style for long, instead of just losing everything because I'm trying to apply pressure by combing or brushing the hair. I'm just going to put each section into a bigger twist just so that I'll keep it out of the way while losing my hair. And also, this is the way I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair in this twist. It's easier that way to get to my scalp. It wasn't easy. I was doing this overnight and I was so tired. At a point I started watching TV because I was alone in the room and everywhere was just boring. You can see how I'm gently taking down the twist, unraveling it gently. You have to take time with your hair. Don't be in a hurry. If you know you are going somewhere, don't take down your hair. Don't lose your hair. Do it when you know you are not in a hurry to somewhere. Just make sure you take your time. Take your time with your hair. Look at my length. My hair is growing and I'm so happy. Also, you don't have to use clove water for this process. You can use any other hairspray you have. You can use aloe vera gel, any hair tea or hair rinse you have, even water, just so that your hair is damp enough to take down easily. Because when your hair is dry, you can easily snag or tangle, or your nails can get in the way. Something can just happen. But when it's damp, it's soft and easy to take down. The combs or your fingers can get through it easily without having to break your hair. Look at my length. My hair is growing. I'm so proud of myself. This is also thanks to the clove water challenge I did. If you have not watched that video again, a link is going to be in the description box. Please do well to check it out. this point, I was done for the night. This is the hair that came out from just take down. Can you imagine? Very little. Next off is wash day, and this is the shampoo I used. I'm not going to be showing my wash day routine because I already have a detailed one here. Please do well to check it out. But I'm trying out this Mega Growth deep conditioner for the first time. I didn't have time to make my own deep conditioner, so I decided to try something and I got this one. It smells really nice, and I must say it is very moisturizing. It was so soft, like my hair felt soft after using it. It defined my curls, but it was too small for my hair. My hair is very full, and I got the small can instead of the bigger one. But it was because it was first try. I did not want to get something and feel sad afterwards. Well, I would say it did the job. Please, if I look lost, don't mind me. I was watching TV. I was doing this at night, so I was watching TV to keep me busy, just so I'm not tired before I'm done with what I'm supposed to do. So, and if you notice too, while the deep conditioning, I did not use any comb or any brush. I was still using my hands. Your hands are the best thing to use when detangling, especially on wet hair or like during your wash day. Your hands are softer, they can feel the knots and attend to them nicely, but a comb or a brush is just going to pull through and you might end up cutting your hair. This process, you had protective style on for 1 month or 3 weeks just because you are trying to retain length. You don't want to lose all the length you've gotten from having that style on for long because of you didn't take your time. Now this is the hair that came out from deep condition. You can see it's even smaller than the takedown, just because I took my time and I avoided knots and split ends. My normal deep conditioning routine, I'm just going to tie my hair overnight and rinse the next morning. I must say the deep conditioner is really nice. It did nice things to my hair. My hair was softer and the coils were popping. One thing I always do in my wash day routine, if you watched the last one, you will notice I always shower detangle. So this is where I now take my time to use a comb to detangle my hair under running shower. After rinsing off the deep conditioner from my hair, I'll just take a comb, a wide tooth comb, and detangle my hair. Detangle my hair. Detangling process, you need to start from your ends before you get to the roots of your hair. You don't want to start from your roots and all the way to your end because you're going to cut your hair. So from your ends upwards. Trust me, this method is the best way to detangle your hair. your hair is going to be soft. The water is going to penetrate through your strands, and water is also good for your hair. Your hair needs water, so feed it with water as much as you can. Don't leave your hair dry. Water is the best moisturizer you can give to your hair. Now I'm just going to twist it away like I always do and get ready for the next protective style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if I sound very low, I'm very tired. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.